We are going to unbox today a portable Bluetooth keyboard by Rapoo. The model is E6500. It offers a simple Bluetooth connectivity and you can use it on tablet and smartphones. These are the features of this keyboard. It offers easy Android plug-and-play connectivity with 1 month battery life. We'll just check out the appearance of this keyboard. The package comes with a portable keyboard and a charging cable. We'll give you more detailed information on this keyboard in a detailed review of Rapoo E6500.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.